Imagine an AI that can recreate Ghibli's magic in seconds. Pretty cool, right? But what if it's stealing from artists who have spent decades mastering that art? ChatGPT's new Ghibli style generator has everyone buzzing. But it has also got legends like Hayao Miyazaki, the creator of Ghibli Studio, calling it an insult. Is this the future of creativity or a copyright nightmare? Stick around for the perspective that you won't find anywhere else. Hello, leaders. Welcome to See You Alchemy, and I'm your coach, Vivek Singh. Today, we are diving into hot topic that's kept the internet buzzing. We're talking about OpenAI's Ghibli-style image generator. It's been everywhere on social media, and you have probably seen those dreamy pastel colored AI images mimicking the iconic style of Studio Ghibli. Think Spirited Away or My Neighbor Totoro. It's incredible tech, right? But here's the catch. It also sparked a massive debate online about ethics, creativity, and the future of art. Is this the celebration of a beloved art form or a step too far into exploitation? In this video, we will explore both sides of story, the good, the bad, and what we can do about it. Stick around, hit the like button if you're intrigued, and let's get started. So, what's the point? Last week, OpenAI rolled out an update to its GPT 4.0 model, giving ChatGPT the ability to generate images in various styles, including whimsical, hand drawn, aesthetic of Studio Ghibli. Users can simply upload a photo, I did that too, type a simple prompt, turn this into Ghibli style scene, and boom, in seconds, you've got an anime inspired masterpiece. It's gone viral with everyone from casual fans to OpenAI CEO Sam Altman jumping in. Altman even changed his X profile pic to Ghibli-fied version of himself. But while the internet is having fun, there is a darker side brewing. Artists, technologists, or even fans are raising red flags about copyright, consent, and the value of human creativity. Let's break it down today. First, let's look at the positives because there are some real upsides here. Artificial intelligence like ChatGPT image generator is a game changer for creativity. It democratizes art making. Suddenly, anyone with an idea can create something beautiful, even if they don't have years of training. True? Imagine a kid who wants to draw the pet and instantly turns that into Ghibli style scene. It's fun, it's inspiring, and it keeps the spirit of Ghibli alive in a new way. OpenAI has openly said they are all about inspired original fan creations. And that's a cool angle. Fan art has always been a way to celebrate what we love. Plus, small creators or businesses, this tech can save time and money on visuals, leveling the playing field for them. Technologist Charles Lee has suggested AI could even become a new sector for artists, like selling licensed style the way we sell fonts. It's a tool, and tools can empower us, right? But here is where it gets messy. The big question is where did this AI learn to mimic Studio Ghibli style? Many suspect it was trained on copyrighted Ghibli films without permission, and that's a problem. Hayao Miyazaki, Studio Ghibli's co founder, has been vocal about this kind of thing. Back in 2016, he saw an AI animation demo and said, I strongly feel that it's an insult to life itself. He has spent decades crafting art by hand. pouring soul into every frame. And now, AI can churn out a lookalike in seconds. Artist Carla Ortiz, who is suing other AI companies for copyright infringement, agrees. She calls it exploitation, saying that's using Ghibli's branding, their name, their work, their reputation to promote open AI products. AI researcher Andrew Burko went further, calling it the largest identity theft in the history of art. The fear? This could devalue human artists, replacing their livelihood with a machine that doesn't credit or pay them. Not to forget the massive protests in Hollywood by the artists last year. Now, the question is this even legal? It's tricky. Legally, style isn't copyrightable, only specific works are. Lawyer Josh Wagenberg notes if a work of art was licensed for training, it might be fine, but without consent, it's problematic. OpenAI hasn't said if they got permission, and Studio Ghibli has also been silent so far. Beyond legality, there is a cultural issue. Miyazaki's films are about nature, humanity, and painstaking craft. Ironically, an energy hungry AI is mimicking them. Ex users have pointed out posts like it's depressing to say Ghibli AI slop. He has spent 50 years making art about environmental waste. And when White House used this tech to depict deported immigrant in Ghibli style, it felt tasteless to many, like exploiting art for propaganda. The line between inspiration and theft feels blurry here. What are your thoughts? Put a comment below. Let's hear from some big names. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, seems to take it lightly. He posted on X, grind for a decade, wake up one day to hundreds of messages. Look, I made you into a twink Ghibli style. Ha ha ha. He's embracing the trend, but not addressing the backlash. Meanwhile, artist Jade Ait Kashi slammed it, saying that the trend is insidious because of how scathingly Miyazaki has been towards the tech. Technologist Nathan Douglas offers a middle ground. He says it's just another form of streaming intellectual property. We need to calmly change how we support creative work. And businessman Elon Musk, behind XAI, hasn't weighed in directly, but his company, Grok AI, is also offering image generation. So he is in the game too. The divide is clear. Some see innovation, others see disrespect. So, what can we do? First, transparency. AI companies like OpenAI and Grok need to disclose their training data. If they use Ghibli's work, they should license it and pay royalties, just like music sampling. Second, consent. Artists should have opt in, opt out rights over their styles being used. Imagine a system where Miyazaki could say, no, my art is off limits. Or yes, but pay me. Third, the regulations. Governments could set rules, maybe requiring AI art to be labeled so it's not mistaken for human work. Finally, collaboration. Artists and tech could team up. What if Studio Ghibli partnered with OpenAI to create an official Ghibli AI tool? Sharing profits. It's not about blaming AI, it's about the balance. We can harness its power without erasing the human effort behind decades of art. Alright, leaders, that's the story of ChatGPT's Ghibli style image generator. Amazing tech, but a real ethical minefield. It's a tool that can inspire, but without care, it risks exploiting the very art it mimics. What do you think? Genius or theft? I look forward to your comments. If you have found this video useful, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.